Here's Johnny, Home Commercial Services. We are out here in a beautiful property in Arlington, Texas. It's a 2-story home. And right now we are doing a house wash. We added a Big Kahuna package. That's the windows. They're pretty dirty. We're going to do the seals. It's got a lot of funk in there. I'll slow down on the camera. And I don't know how well you can see the striping up there on the gutters. We'll be doing a gutter brightening today, along with the window cleaning and just a house wash. The brick's not very dirty. There's no mold or algae really growing on it, but it's best to try to keep up with it to prevent it from happening. Because sometimes once it gets there, it's pretty hard to get off. So first we're going to be rinsing, getting it wet, and then we're going to be putting a cleaning solution across the top of across the gutters first, and then we're going to be scrubbing it with this here soft brush. And you got to move pretty quick because you don't want it to dry. So it'll be a pretty quick process, and I'll see if I can get you some footage set up to see the process. All right, guys, here we go. What's going on? We just finished up with this house window wash, gutter cleaning. You can see the difference. What it was before, windows, nice and shiny. And most of all, those tracks, that's spider webs. So we got it looking brand new. Good as gold. Also, I got another pro tip for you. If you're a DIYer and you want to get your windows and screens clean, screens cleaning's pretty easy. You just soap it up, rinse it off. Make sure you get the tracks also. But another tip is to take Armor All, protectant for like your car, vinyl and plastics. And you just spray it on the outside where it's not against the window. I'll just spray it on real good. Almost out. You don't need a whole lot, but make sure you get enough on there. There we go. And just kind of wipe it in. Kind of hard to do while I'm holding the phone. Excuse me about my poor video skills. my videographer skills. New to making these videos. Hopefully it helps somebody or anybody in Arlington, Texas needing a house wash or the surrounding area. Ask for about the Big Kahuna special. It'll be the house wash, gutters, windows, the whole 9 yards. You need your driveway cleaned also. We can get that done for you too. Here's Johnny, Home and Commercial Services. Phone number is 512-210-1688. And thank you all. Have a wonderful day.